Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Saya doa bismillahi majreha wa mursaha inna rabbi laghafurur rahim. Bismillahi, the other one. Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Okay, so today is the 17th of August, which is the day of apa? About the day of apa? 17th of August is the day of apa? What is it?
Independencia.
Independence Day. Not Independencia. Ya Allah, Independencia. Independence Day. Okay? Independence Day. Go in the inside and look. Independence Day. Why is it called Independence Day? You know what independence is? What does independence mean? Independence. What does independence mean? Merdeka. Okay, what does that mean, Merdeka? What does that mean? Why is 17th? Why is the 17th of August 1970? Yeah? Why is it called the Independence Day? Why is it our Independence Day? It is the birth of Indonesia. Okay? Indonesia was born on the 17th of August 19 what? 1940? I mean 19 apa? 1940?
6.
Oh, 1946.
45
Allah Akbar, ya Allah. 1945.
Mas enggak? Tidak, astagfirullahaladzim.
Susah dulu.
Okay. So that means that Indonesia was before that date, before 1945, 17th of August, there was no Indonesia, okay? No Indonesia. So what was there before Indonesia?
India Belanda.
Hindia Belanda, very good about Hindia Belanda. Yeah. Hindia Belanda or the Dutch or the Netherlands was the one in charge of Indonesia. Yeah. That's called, what is it called? They had power over Indonesia. What is it called? It starts with a C. Who can guess? Come on. Starts with a C. They took over. No. Starts with a C or a K in
They
it.
conquered.
Almost, but it's not conquered. Okay. Amin, do you know the time or the period where the Dutch was in control of Indonesia? It's called, starts with a C.
Kok bisa lah?
It's called
The time that Netherlands was in control by Indonesia.
They controlled Indonesia. They controlled from Sabang, from Aceh until Merauke, right? They were in control. Okay, what's the name of that? Yeah, they were in control over Indonesia. It's called Amira. Do you know Amira? Starts with a C and an O. Not conquer. It's another word other than conquer, almost like conquer. C-O-L. Starts with a C-O-L. Corruption. Corruption is corruption. Yes, they made a lot of corruption. Corruption meaning that they corrupted the people, they corrupted the land. Because corrupt artinya merusak ya, but no, it's not. C-O-R. That starts with a C-O-L. You still don't know? Amina doesn't know? Amin? The period where the Dutch were in control.
Huh? Dutch was in control.
They control Indonesia. Yeah, they controlled
Yeah, but
Indonesia.
you said the Dutch was in control. Berarti the
Yes,
Dutch
in
yang
the-
yang dikendalikan.
Enggak, in control of Indonesia.
The Dutch was
Were in
the Dutch
control.
was
were in control, were taking over Indonesia, conquering conquering Indonesia, in control of Indonesia. They were in power over Indonesia. But there's another word used for this. It starts with a C-O-L. Not corruption. Yeah, the time they were corrupting Indonesia, the time they were conquering Indonesia, they were controlling Indonesia. But there's another word. Amira doesn't know. C-O-L. It's already an Indonesian word. The Indonesian word is K-O-L. Kolam. Amira doesn't know.
Apa sih?
Okay, the fourth letter is
Lama dah bilang
The next word. The next word is the next word is the fourth word. I'm giving you a chance to. I'm giving a chance to. I'm giving you a chance to answer. Okay, the fourth word letter in this word is O. C-O. Kolo. Okay, kolo. Solo. Okay. Nobody knows. I want to give you anybody who can. Okay, the fifth letter is N. Colon.
Kolonial.
Almost. Colonization. Itu namanya colonization, colonization, okay? So the time that the Dutch were in control, conquering and then corrupting Indonesia, it's more famous as the colonization period, okay? Waktu kolonisasi, yeah? Colonizations, okay? All these European nations went to Indonesia, went to South America, went to the Philippines, went to Malaysia, they all made a colonization, yeah? The Spanish were the colonizers. Itu colonizers yang mengkoloni, artinya the colonizers. The Spanish also colonized the Philippines and the Portuguese. Who knows what area the Portuguese colonized? Indonesia. Yes. Yeah, they were the first one, but then they said, okay, you the Dutch, you take Indonesia because we want to go to somewhere else. So where did the Portuguese go?
They went to North America.
No, they did not go to North America. They went to somewhere close to Indonesia. They went to the Timor-Leste. Okay, we're going to go to Timor-Leste and we're going to go to the Philippines. Okay, so they went to the Philippines and then the Dutch took over Indonesia. Okay, the Dutch said, okay, we're going to be the colonizers of Indonesia. And then one of the biggest colonizers as well were the Spanish. They went to North America, which is America now, USA. They were the colonizers of America, right? Okay. Colonizers. Okay, so going back to the independence day of Indonesia. How long was Indonesia colonized by the Dutch before we got Independence Day? Ya ratusan tahun, but how long exactly? Come on. Ratusan, if you say ratusan,
1,500 tahun.
that can be, if you say ratusan tahun, hundreds of years, that can be 800 years, 900 years. It can be 500 years. You have to be more exact. 350. Okay, very good. That's one answer. 350 years, yeah? Okay. Oh, Tante Ida jawab. Okay. But there's another theory, okay? There's another theory that the Dutch didn't colonize Indonesia for 350 years. Okay, so there's another theory that says that they actually colonized Indonesia only for well, not only, but 150 years, okay? 150 years. Because 200 years before that, it wasn't the Dutch. It wasn't the kingdom, the Dutch kingdom, okay? But it was the VOC. It was VOC. So there's a difference. Although the VOC is still Dutch, but it's not the kingdom. It's not the government of that area, okay? Of the Dutch, but it was the VOC. Okay, what is the VOC, Amira? What is a VOC? You don't have to mention because it's in Belanda. It's in Dutch. But what is it actually? It is a company, okay? It's a company owned by business people. Understand? Owned by business people, investors, business owners. They created the VOC, so the VOC was in control of Indonesia for 200 years. Okay, yeah. So that's colonization. Okay, so after the Dutch colonized Indonesia, what happened? What happened? Who came to colonize Indonesia again?
Japanese.
The Japanese. So how long did the Japanese colonize?
3 years.
Huh?
3 years.
Iya, 3
Very good. 3 years.
Tapi dia lebih sadis daripada Belanda.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah.
Walaupun 3 tahun jadi 3,3.
Really? Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh, it's a... Okay. Okay, so today the kiddos are gonna commemorate, or they have this apa namanya? Ada upacara bendera. There's a flag ceremony. There's a flag ceremony, and then there's this abo. Today is the purse or the press. And then who are you? Amin? Who are you? Okay, and then Amira, who are you? Who are you acting as? Kartini. And then Amin, who are you? Amin? Chuknyakdin. Okay, they're playing a role playing as heroes, Indonesian heroes, and then Abo is the press. Show the purse, yeah, the purse. The English is press. The English is press. No, the English is press.
Abi, purse itu
You see, this is the press. Okay.
Press conference.
Purse. Yeah, there's press. There's a press conference. You know why it's called press? Yep, that's press conference. What's a press conference? A press conference is when all the journalists and all the media they gather, and then they press release. There's a press release, press conference. They gather together to give information. Yeah, that's press.
Iya.
Tapi kok Amin ngawak bajunya beda jauh.
Kan beda SD sama
Teman, ada temanku banyak sekali pakai baju dokter, ada pakai baju guru.
Oh, there's gonna be a doctor.
Iya, teman.
Who's General Sudirman? Anybody gonna be General Sudirman? Huh?
banyak meor.
Oh, berarti langsung ke sana.
Anybody gonna be Sultan Hasanuddin? Huh?
Kayaknya ada sih.
Yeah. Okay. And anybody gonna be Soekarno? Soekarno, no. Soeharto wasn't.
Sebenarnya Soekarno sebenarnya gampang, sama Soekarno sama Abo. Soekarno kan cuma pakai baju putih sama ini. Soekarno kemeja tapi enggak pakai baju luaran.
And who's the vice president of Soekarno at that time? Who's Huh? Who's the vice president of Soekarno? Who was Soekarno, by the way?
I don't know.
The first president, and then he's also called the Proclamator. Yeah. You know why?
Karena ada.
Huh?
Dia yang kasih proklamasi.
Yeah, he was the one who read the proclamation.
Proklamasi.
What is the proclamation?
Ada.
Kenapa saya terus? Perjanjian.
What is the proclamation? Proclamation is like pernyataan. Okay, pernyataan that Indonesia is
Indonesia sekarang.
yeah, this
Sudah merdeka.
this area is called Indonesia, yeah? Independence Day. Okay, we made this nation. We made this nation and it's called Indonesia. Yeah, everybody has to respect it and it's a sovereign nation. It is now called a sovereign nation.
P maksud.
Huh? Okay, it's a sovereign nation. Itu sana Ustaz Ahara kayaknya itu sana yang lari sana. Itu. Dia lari dari sana.
Ya orang itu orang tua santri. Sok terus.
Deh, penasaranku.
Kita dapat abi kak.
Nata.
Apa?
Nanti dapat dari bawah pohon.
Itu sana kayaknya. Ustaz Ahara sana.
Gitu itu bi.
Sudah lupa ya. Dulu I was playing basketball.
Bosan. Betulan itu. Betulan. Tidak boleh bohong. Ustaz kok bohong.
Banyak yang pakai jadi kebaya di itu lebih gampang.
Iya itu.
Sama
Aku
pants pasti
Seperti
banyak
ini.
lebih gampang.
Oke.
di kelasku malah kelasku
Who's
banyak juga yang dokter.
who's the paskibra? Who's the paskibra?
Orang.
Dewasanya semua kayak ustaz ah.
SMP
Lagi
ini.
you know
Kelas 9.
lagi viral itu di sekolah-sekolah tuh dia bikin begini. Dia bikin begini. Kalian harus bikin juga. Dia bikin begini. Yang mana tebak yang mana gurunya. Jadi semua
Oke, dadah.
Fitian bikin juga dong. Tebak. Fitian bikin juga.
Turun di depan. Kamu di depan. Turun Mina. Kamu di depan lagi.
Assalamualaikum.
Itu pintu tadi.
Kamu di depan
bikin challenge itu yang mana?
Ya, Amin mi dulu. Stop ya.
Oke.
Stop. Amin.
Oke. These are my two niece. Ini this is Amin and this is
Awas sampai dia.